Hey everybody, Shane here, ParaLife TV. So this is the video I really don't want to be shooting, but I figured I'd just show you, how Mother Nature can be a bitch. Took a drive out. First we had a major storm. It's December 20th right now, and we just had a major storm, not a snowstorm. You can see there's no snow. December 20th, but we had a major rain windstorm come through, and it left a mess. I knew we were going to get the rain, but we did not anticipate the wind. Trees down everywhere. 100,000 people in the province out of power. Just looked at the updates, and they're down to 46,000 people now without power. Crews are doing amazing. Hope they stay safe. It's the biggest thing. So I'm just going to show you some of the damage that took place out here at the lake. It's going to be a lot of cleanup. So this is as far as I'm going to push, but you get the idea. Thankfully, no trees came down on cottages, and no one was hurt. So I'm going to go back to our cottage and take a look and see. Take a look around there, make sure there's no windows broke. Unreal. Some of our shingles came off the roof. Hoping that's the shed, not off of our cottage. Pick up our sign. There we go. Patio furniture. Table. Smashed. Take a look. Part of our outdoor fireplaces here. Oh, there's another chair. Wow, way back in the swamp. Look at that. Another one of our chairs way back in there with the tarp. Now that tarp covered our barbecue. I can't get over this. Wow. This part of the chair broke. Again, back of the chair. Lake's wide open. We're December the 20th, and usually that lake is frozen. Our windows are not broke back there, patio door. Fire pit. That's strong wind. Let's go up and check it out. That barbecue seen better days. Gosh, look at that. Table upset. Look, those chairs and table were right along here. They get blown out this way into the driveway. And like I tell you, the force of that wind to drive that chair down into the driveway like that was hard packed. That's hard packed. And then to blow the other chair off into the swamp. Wow. But like I said, thankfully no one got hurt, and thankfully no trees are on the cottage. And I thank whoever cut the trees, because imagine yesterday you wouldn't be able to get back in here because all the trees across the road. So thank you whoever cleared out the trees so you could pass through the lane. Thank you very much. All right, let's take a look inside. I'm going to bring up that barbecue first. So no broken windows. That's good. A little bit of ice in the lake way over there. Very little. Very little. You can hear the generators going. Looking at my neighbor's roof, and there's a pile that got peeled off. They may be his shingles that flew over. Let's check the freezer. We don't have much for food in the freezer anyway, so I'm just gonna leave what's there. There's a couple burgers, and what's there is still frozen, so I'm just gonna leave it. I did find a hamburger patty that was thawed out because it was just up sitting by itself, so I'm gonna cook it. Barbecue works. It's good. Just destroyed the chair. This mat belongs up there. Actually, just to show you how strong these winds were. So the winds are obviously coming from this direction inland from the other side of the lake, coming across because of the way the chairs flew back in the swamp and the table in the driveway. But look at the trailer. Look at here. I just noticed this when I was up on the deck. This is how strong those winds were coming across the lake, that they moved camper trailer. Like, this thing weighs, like, I'm thinking it's gonna weigh 3,500, 4,000 pounds. I'm thinking. And no will say right on the tag here, but look at the force. The winds moved the trailer because those were centered on the pieces of wood. Look, we're lucky that didn't go over, but I have stabilizers down on the other side too. See here? That is crazy. So thankfully we put the stabilizers down, which we didn't do in the summer when we first moved it over. I just left it like this because I had intentions of moving it over there where those trees came down. So when we were winterizing the place, I put the stabilizers down, or maybe not then, but earlier, sometime I put them down when I realized I wasn't going to move it over there. And I'm glad I didn't, because trees would have came down on top of it. Whew, unreal, unreal. Yeah, I clean you up now. All right, burger's cooked. I'm gonna go inside and eat it, and then after that, clean up. And I'm gonna take you out on the main road. I'm gonna show you the trees that came down. It is a disaster up there. It's nothing compared to here. I mean, oh, I'm sorry. Down here is nothing compared to what's up there. It is just, I think it's gonna take a couple weeks to get that cleaned up. So, anyways, you'll see. So before I leave, I just want to show you that, you know, as strong as those winds were to tip over my table with the barbecue on it, blow the chairs halfway across the yard, or the whole way across the yard, to move the camper trailer to bounce that around. That pot right there, that flower pot, did not move. And my barbecue lid cover and trim over into the swamp, that pot did not move. And it's not fastened down in any way. Lucky pot. All right, I'm gonna head out in the road. Let's get out of here. Gotta go slow there. Just barely get under that tree. Trees and lines there. Alright guys, that's it. That's the tour. Mother Nature can be a bitch, but what can you do, right? Just everyone stay safe. Appreciation goes out to the crews working on restoring the power. Stay safe. It's much appreciated the work that you do. And I'm going to head home where we still don't have power, but whatever. We'll make do. Alright, till next time, keep rolling.